Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take care of a new tattoo. Start by washing your hands and gently cleansing the tattoo with mild, fragrance-free soap and lukewarm water, then pat dry with a clean towel. Apply a thin layer of recommended ointment or moisturizer, avoid heavy creams, and keep the tattoo covered only as your artist instructs to prevent irritation and infection. Keep a simple routine for the healed tattoo days. Moisturize lightly 2 to 3 times daily with a non-scented lotion, avoid picking at scabs, and let natural peeling occur. Protect the area from tight clothing and rough fabrics that can rub and damage new ink. If redness, excessive swelling, or pus appears, contact your artist or a healthcare provider promptly to rule out infection. If you're finding these tips helpful, please like and subscribe to support more tattoo care guidance. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and timers into your space, so you can set gentle reminders for aftercare and play calming playlists while your tattoo heals. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Protect your new tattoo from sunlight and water while it heals to preserve color and prevent infection. Avoid beaches, pools, hot tubs, and long baths, and keep showers short and gentle. After full healing, use a high SPF, broad-spectrum sunscreen to prevent fading and maintain vibrant ink, and reapply sunscreen regularly when spending time outdoors or exposed to sunlight.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.